Hello Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 7th, 2020. Yes. And this fourth Sudoku, this will be a number 1481. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I know, the previous one has 25, so this one should be 24. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is equal to 20. 23 plus 1 is 24. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Alright. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number? The number. Let me see. In this row, column, the first column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. We see here already a 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 1, 2, 6. Yeah. We have a pair in this row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. So the 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. How about these two numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 6? We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. No. We have a 9 here. 1 and 5. Let me mark them. It's a pair in a big square, so I can mark them for you. We need to go to another digit. Let me see. How about the number missing one. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 5 here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 1. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 5 here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 here, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 2. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the third column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark them for you. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 6 and 7. Let me mark them for you. it's getting a bit chilly here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. I can mark them for you. It's a pair. 1, 9, 8. All right. 1 and 9. All right. These 2 numbers in this row up here, those numbers are the 1 and the 5. Yes, 1 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 goes here and the 1 goes there. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. Alright, so, and now 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So we have a 9 in this row. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be the 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. We have a pair here. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 9 and the 8. We see here the 1 and the 9 here. So no 1 and the 9 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 1 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. These 2 numbers in the 3rd row are the numbers 1 and the 9. I see here 1 and the 9. That means the other 2 should be 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, 7 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the 3rd row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 9, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Finish in 40 minutes. And is this really a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so, because a really 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes, and I've managed to solve this within 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the 5th puzzle, a binary puzzle. See you later. Bye bye for now.